One type of alteration you can do when your pot is leather hard is called paddling. So you want to make sure your pot is still soft but firm enough that you can pick up and manipulate, kind of at the stage where you would normally put a handle on. You can see I can still do things like kind of clean up the bottom here. And paddling is exactly what it sounds like. We're actually going to use a paddle to kind of tap the pot to make flattened sides. My dad made me this paddle when I was in college going to ceramics, and it's actually like a little nicer than it needs to be. He shellacked it, and it kind of sticks to the pot now. So actually things just like a plain wooden spoon work equally as well. I'll try the fancy paddle. So all I'm going to do is kind of cradle it in my hand, and then on one side I'm just going to pat it until it sort of flattens out. Now I could do something asymmetrical, or I could do it symmetrical. So I'll do it on this side too. You want to pat pretty gently. You don't want to force the clay too much at once. This was a pot that I threw just kind of regular thickness. If you wanted it to just stay oval, this is kind of nice, just like this. But I could make it square, doing the third and fourth side. And now I have kind of a squarish vase. It's a little bit different than faceting because it has these kind of soft rounded corners, but still gives your pot a little bit more of an interesting look other than just plain old round symmetrical. I could maybe try faceting, or sorry, paddling this little ledge too for a additional effect.